What if you could start seeds without any pots? Today, we're starting seeds using the soil block method. Welcome back to the Seed Start Studio, where we grow food step by step, one seed at a time. Today, we're starting seeds using the soil block method. Soil block are compressed soil that holds its shape on its own. Instead of planting in containers or pot, we directly seed this soil block to start our seeds. This method, you need soil. I already have soil mix that I already moistened for us. And then you need the soil blocker tool. This is what it looks like. You need a tray to put your soil blocks, and you need your seed. I already moistured this soil. I have a video on how to moisture your soil. Check that out. But simply you're going to add water and make sure it's nice and damp. You do not want it dripping with water. You just want it damp. Okay? You want it just wet, not drippy. To start your soil blocks is a little bit different. You need it very moist. Okay, so we already moistured that. Now we're just going to take our soil block, and then in the bottom here, as you see, it has this compartment. Okay, and then you're just going to put the soil in. It's a little bit messy, but I love touching soil, so it doesn't bother me. This is also a great method to do with your kids if you want them to get some sensory by filling the soil, because you're using your senses, filling the soil, and it feels good. For me, it feels so good. I love touching the soil. So you're just going to put it there and then gently press on it to make sure it's compact in there so that it could hold its shape. The more soil you put in there, the more it's going to be compact. There's no space for it to fall apart. So for soil block, you want the soil to be moist, almost drippy, but not runny drippy. Okay? You just want to make sure it's able to hold itself. Actually, you could do a test. Squeeze it and see. Will it crumble open? If it holds its shape, that means you have good soil to do your soil block. It's just holding its shape. All right, so now that we put the soil here, let me show you how we release this, how we make the soil block. Now that we filled up the soil here, all we're gonna do is just put it over the tray, go on the top part and push it down. And there we have our soil block here. This is the soil block. So now we have compressed our soil and made some soil block. Each block already have small holes into it so that you could plant your seeds. All we have to do is drop our seeds in here and then we're good to go. So today with the soil block here, I'm gonna do the broad leaf Nera Chinese leek. So I'm gonna do Chinese leeks in here. So all we're gonna do is put one seed Let's do two seeds. I'm going to do 2 seeds in these holes. I like this process because it's easy. There's no waste. You're just using soil in a tray. And when they sprout, you could easily move them into a bigger soil block. So soil block come in different sizes. There's mini ones so that you could pot them up or soil block them up, not pot them up. You soil block them up. If you're doing container gardening after it sprouts and you have a healthy seedling, then you could just take the whole block and put it in your container garden. It's sustainable. You're not using any waste of a material here. You're just using soil and a tool. So this is the batch of the Chinese leeks, and we're going to follow it from seed to harvest. We're gently going to put some soil on top to cover each one. So you could put a little bit of soil. Gently. It's very easy, in no time. We just planted a whole bunch of seeds. We did about 16 soil blocks. And now we're gonna water it. So just spray. You have a water spray. If you don't have one, you could just use your hands to sprinkle water gently. You don't want it soaking wet because you don't want the soil block to fall apart. So you water from top until sprouts, okay? Now it's time to label. I like using tape. So if you have tape, if you have regular clear tape and some paper, however you're gonna just label your plants. So this is Leeks, variety is Chinese, and today's date is 23rd. And we're just gonna label, gonna stick the label here so that we can identify what we planted. And now these guys are gonna move to somewhere warm and with light. I'm gonna move it right here. And it's gonna be on the heat mat to give it the warmth it needs, and the light, the grow light, will give it the light that it needs. Can't wait to see it sprout. One of the biggest mistakes I see by using this method, the soil block, beginners do is either they make their block soil too dry and then it becomes crumbly, or they make the soil block right, but they rigorously water it and then it falls apart. Those are the mistakes that I see beginners doing. Make sure you don't do those. Moisture and gentleness is key to this method. Gardening doesn't need more containers. Sometimes you just need the right method to get started. Soil block may look advanced, but once you try it and you get it, then it's going to be so simple when you plant one seed at a time. I know you got this.